This is your first Power
This
event.
is.
I know it's early to ask this question, but how's it going?
I am so grateful that you're recording it because my team at home needs to hear this, what they're talking about. You know, the team that you guys have built that helps support us, this event, it's just fun. My biggest goal in coming to Power 2024 was to find out where Paperless Parts is, because you guys have a vision.
So I was here to meet people and learn from them and also provide to them how we're using paperless parts. So it's really a part of a learning opportunity more than anything.
I really appreciate getting to meet all the people at Paperless that you talk to every day that help you with your issues, and meeting all the other customers that use it and networking and learning best practices.
It's been fantastic. So I've connected with other manufacturers, shared insights, generated insights from the activities that they have going, not just with Paperless Parts, but beyond that.
I get to share the day with like-minded people who have a desire for business improvement and long-term driving a better strategy. Power has blown away my expectations.
I really like the more hands-on tutorials because you use it every day, but sometimes you don't know what you don't know. So even going through the simplest, quote setup that we do all day, every day, just learning a few tricks and tips is just kind of mind-blowing at some of them. There's the one button that I learned yesterday. I'm just like, didn't even know that was there, and how that's just going to change every day, and I can't wait to get back to my team and share it.
One of the things out of Power 2024 that I found really valuable was the panels, the different perspectives on the panels. So that's really informative, and it's part of this reason I came here was to listen to different people and see how they're using paperless parts, what are some best practices, how can we adapt what they're doing.
Learn more about the software application, learn more about the capabilities beyond quoting.
How can we get more out of this fantastic tool?
I think one of the most important takeaways I had from the panel was creating transparency across your organization with data and information and empowering your team to help you make the best decisions.
The roadmap at the end is always our favorite because you get to see what's new and exciting that's coming along.
This whole integration thing really intrigued me. A lot of my note-taking was, how do we capitalize on this? How can we become more integrated in paperless to get more out of it?